It's that time, people. It's time to experience the 812 Superfast. I hope it doesn't rain. Oh, give me that camera. The battery listeners apparently just died. Thank you.
Filming, by the way.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you. Sorted. All right, Eddie.
Ready?
Be gentle, yeah. Oh, damn, you're gonna. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I can't really talk right now. Oh my days. Jeez. Okay, this feels like being punched in my ribs. Oh my gosh. Okay. I literally can't even hold the camera properly. Okay, I'm gonna face it out instead. Eddie's on a mission to scare the hell out of me. Okay, this thing has got grip for days. Oh my gosh. Those brakes. Oh my god, I can't film it. You're gonna break my neck. God damn. Woo! Jesus Christ. Oh my god. This is worse than going to the gym. Dude, this is hard work, man. You literally, all my muscles are hurting. Like my neck is hurting, my ribs are hurting. And do this for like 1 hour? Fuck. Sorry, I just swore. Whoops. Oh, this is fun. How long was this? Like 3 minutes? It feels like an hour, man. It's like it's like I've been in a ring in a boxing match or something. Whew. God damn. Alright, people, we're back. And yeah, I can't feel my legs, my arms, or anything. I think my neck is broken.
But we're alive.
Yeah. But look at Eddie, man. Not even a sweat. He's just chill. Like. No pressure, no stress. We're back at the pits, people. That was so much fun. Woo! Eddie. Thank you very much, man. That was awesome. Thank you. Woo. Okay, let's get out. Oh my gosh. Oh my god!
Can I interview you now? No,
I'll give you the camera. Yeah, it's like, I think on one of these, yeah, that was okay. I kind of passed out.
Change the battery pack.
That was like unbelievable. It's like being in a boxing ring, man. You get thrown around everywhere. My neck is hurting, my ribs are hurting, everything is hurting right now. But it was fun. That's the main thing. So, hell yeah. The best 2 minutes of my life so far. Oh, it was awesome. Oh my gosh.
That's a separate recording, 24 seconds.
Yeah, that's alright. Thank you.
Okay, check it.
Man, that was like, because you don't expect me